Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, I'm going to discuss one small topic about that Facebook option. So these people, everyone know this option. We can leave it. This is people who know this option. We can discussing about this option purpose. So you are maintaining from some websites. So we upload any kind of videos, we'll get any kind of copyright will be given by the particular channels. So you like the video, we have to upload the same video onto the your particular Facebook page. So it will be getting strike or something, you will be getting problem here. In this purpose, some other Facebook page video, how to post on your Facebook page option. If you give any idea, you can tell me that. Without doing this Facebook page option, without copyright strike, we can upload on your Facebook page option. There's a simple technique we can follow by in your Facebook page. So first of all, in your Facebook page, what are the options are there? We have compulsory find out that options. The options are major important. The options are major important. So what are the options? When you go to post option, we can selecting for every post, photo, video, and sharing. If your own video, you can share it. Get message is a get WhatsApp message, check in, feeling an activity, raise money, and get gift card and purchase, host question answer section, and watch party. Simple. In this page, the people uploading for a lot of videos. In this page videos, I can upload my Facebook page without give the permission. Second thing is called without copyright strike. How we can share this complete videos into my Facebook page option. Here, I can't ask any share option. I'm not using for any share button. Just I'm using technique is called this all videos. How many videos they're posting on the page? We can upload from my Facebook page also without any strike. In this purpose, we have to use option name is called watch party. Watch party is nothing but your page videos will be posted here and watch videos, live videos and saved videos and your page videos and your my videos. Everything will be here. If you are selecting any particular page name here, copy and paste. Once you post this one, you can see this all will be videos will be shown to the particular customers. These videos we can post on your particular page also. Just selecting the permission and click for next in this. So what are the we can give by here? Only few videos we can save by in this option. And so which is your website and just this is nothing copyright strike. Add video. Not only for this page, we can add for multiple pages option will be there. So I can show you one more page here. We can go to virally. What are the videos are there? Selecting virally, add video, same procedure, set the virally page. Here is the option. See how many videos are there here. Next, total 14 videos will be play for in my particular channel. Here only showing for in this latest scenes. Watch and enjoy. Now click for post option. In this option, we don't touch any kind of Facebook page. I'm not download the video. I'm not upload my Facebook page. In this, the page will be posting the particular watch party. Any people coming to this page, they can see the my videos into the watch party option. So how many days the video will be run? This will be run continuously. No need to stop the particular watch party. So how many videos we can add? Everything will be here. Now click in this edit post. So nothing will be here. So the video will be once post will be done. We can't change the add the video. When upload time, we can add the video and everything will be done here. Next option here, delete post, edit date. When you click for edit date, here is the date option will be edit. So in this option, when you click for refresh, anything changes, you can know that. So guys, some people know this option. So this is the option will be any strike will be happen, your Facebook will be suspended. Not like that. You're not sharing any videos. You can sharing for other Facebook page videos. You can using for watch party option. So that is the reason we have to know that people will be reach the in this particular option. So this is using for premium option. This feature we can click for share onto your profile also. People will be watch and like your page also. In this purpose, simple we can know that profile, share, timeline. Coming to this option, the show will be here. Here is the option. You can post for like our page also. You can give the content. So you are clicking in this option, edit plus. So this all option will be method will be follow to page video other page videos we can post on your page without copyright strike without sharing the option. The simple option is the watch party. Some people are facing problem. If anybody not showing any particular page watch party option, we can go to Red Creator Studio. The showing for watch party option will be there. We can do the particular option. So this is a method we can do this. Share the videos on your Facebook page without copyright strike and without sharing option. If anybody know this option, please leave it. This is the who will be know that this option we can give this particular permission purpose. So any kind of channel videos we can play for Facebook page to other page without permission. The call option is called watch party option. So this is a method we can follow and play the video without copyright strike on your particular Facebook page. If you are play for particular video, simple, go to watch party, the link will be click and select the video and play on your particular channel. Any live is running, go to particular Facebook page. You can running for Facebook live on the particular your Facebook page. Live is created by other page, but showing for your page also. So these all options are given on the premier watch party option. We can utilize them, increase your page authority and likes and followers. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.